Good Thursday evening, South Carolina weather watchers. I am your host for South Carolina Weather, Jesse Peterson, and let's talk about the weather for your Thursday evening going into your future. Looking at the radar right now, nothing falling inside of South Carolina, no rain falling inside South Carolina. So we're good in terms of the entire state. But as we move on to the MRMS, you see that we do have some showers going through places like Florida, all the way through the panhandle of Florida. Severe weather going on inside of Kansas, Colorado, Nebraska. Some showers going on inside the Four Corners region. Also, up here in the Pacific Northwest, we do have some showers and downpours, some storms also moving through. And up here inside of the Northeast, we do have some showers moving through there. Here is two storms that we now have. Here is Hurricane Gilma, max speed of 125 miles an hour with gusts of up to 155 miles an hour going right now straight for Hawaii. That could change, but if it does hit Hawaii, it won't be that bad. It'll only be like a 50-mile-per-hour storm, or it might go on and just dissipate. So we'll see what happens. And then here, look at this tropical storm Hone. Uh, Already on the age name, it's gonna go just to the south of Hawaii as a 70 mile per hour wind speed and a 85 mile per hour max wind gust as it passes Hawaii down to the south as a tropical storm. So right now, that's pretty much it. This is going on for the entire United States. Let's go on and talk about cloud cover. So cloud cover right now showing cloud cover over like the low country of South Carolina, the PD region of South Carolina, also some low clouds going up inside the upstate of South Carolina. It's not really much in terms of cloud cover, really for much at all. Here is cloud cover total percentage as we push this forward. Just some cloud cover moving through low country of South Carolina receiving cloud cover still. PD region of South Carolina still seeing cloud cover. And as we push through all the way through the 16th, the 17th, and the 18th, um, the 18th hour, 17th hour, 16th hour, that's what I mean by the 16th, 17th, and the 18th. But right now it's just going to continue pushing more inland as we move to tomorrow and tomorrow afternoon. Here is our current temperature: 68 in Columbia, 73 in Charleston, 73 inside Beaufort, and 73 in Myrtle Beach, 66 inside of Rock Hill, 68 inside of Greenville, 70 inside Anderson, 70 inside of Augusta, 68 inside Sumter, 67 in Florence. Low temperatures for tonight, around 62 at Columbia, 73 in Charleston, 71 in Hilton Head Island, and 67 inside of Georgetown and Myrtle Beach. As well as 58 up there in Rock Hill, 59 in Spartanburg, 61 inside of Greenville, 61 inside of Anderson, and 61 inside of Aiken. So definitely lower than it has been, definitely. Especially up there inside the upstate where you can see some temperatures in the high 50s in terms of precipitation. Here it is right here. Let me go ahead and grab it. It's not really much of a difference. It's really just pretty much a more chance for some showers and thunderstorms to push in through like Hilton Head Island, Charleston, around a tenth of an inch to a quarter of an inch possible in Hilton Head Island and Charleston, maybe even a half an inch to an inch possible inside of like near like the Edisto Island, Folly Beach area, and then a hundredth of an inch to a tenth of an inch possible inside Georgetown. Everyone else is usually it's going to be probably be free in terms of precipitation. Here's our SPC outlook for tonight. Only just a TSTM. Really, it's just going to really just be the coast that has the threat. Same thing for tomorrow. Tomorrow, the Low Country of South Carolina, the PD region of South Carolina, and then as you move into day 3, the entire eastern portion of South Carolina, like Columbia, all the way down towards the coast, towards Charleston, Georgetown, uh, as well as like Moncks Corner, Hilton Head Island, Beaufort, Myrtle Beach, places like that. Here is our excessive rainfall outlook. Let's go ahead and push it forward. Day 1, nothing for day 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. So you're good in terms of those. And no tropical cyclone activity is expected for the next 7 days as we move down over here towards the HRRR. HRRR right now. This was updated at 3 o'clock. As we push this forward, not really anything happening until we get to around 8, 9 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. We start to see showers and thunderstorms start to push in the Beaufort, Charleston regions at around 8 to 11 a.m. Those will continue as you get to around 1 to 2 o'clock p.m. towards like Beaufort, down towards South Carolina, Georgia border around 2, 3 o'clock. And it will continue for the coast as you go to around 4, 5, 6 o'clock. And maybe some downpours pushing as far inland as the inland low country, and some showers pushing into the inland PD region as well. And they will continue even as we go to around 12, 1 o'clock in the morning, still near the coastline, and still pushing through the inland regions even as we go into Saturday morning. And that's pretty much all in terms of precipitation for the next 48 hours. In terms of total precipitation, we could see some pretty high totals. Maybe 1 to 2, maybe isolated 3 inches possible in Beaufort. Charleston around 1 to 2 inches possible. Georgetown around 2 to 3 inches. Myrtle Beach, not really much. Conway around 1/4 of an inch. And it's not really much at all for anyone else. Really, just these regions nearest to the coast, to where it's going to receive the most amount of rainfall. So that's pretty much it in terms of that. Let's go on. Let's talk about the future real quick. So here's the website that I'm pulling up. And here it is right here. You can see it right here. As we push this forward, again, just showing the showers, thunderstorms for tomorrow. And then it's going to be dry all the way through the 27th. Look at this. Maybe not a drop of rain from the 27th to 26th to the 27th. It is a possibility. The 28th, we do have the threat for some showers, thunderstorms up there inside the upstate of South Carolina. And then even as we go into around August the 29th as well, maybe even some thunderstorms starting to kind of organize a little bit inside the Atlantic. Might be watching for some sort of development over on around August the 28th. We'll see what happens there as it gets closer to like Louisiana, and showers and thunderstorm activity continues even as we go past 300 or so hours. And then we do have the potential for some tropical development again going to around early September. We'll see what happens there as well. In terms of temperature anomalies, we were just talking about that. I mean, just cooler than average temperatures all throughout most of the week until around like August the 27th. And really just getting right back to that heat as we get past this week and going through next week. So that's pretty much that in terms of temperatures anomalies for the for like averages. Let's go on and talk with the audience. If you want to be a part of the audience, you can by joining us at 9 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time. And let's go on and see what they have to say. So here, my Nana says, hello, Jay. Hello. My cousin Cheryl says, good evening, Weatherman. I'm listening to you. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And you still number 10. Love you much. Your cousin Cheryl, thank you so much for your comment. My cousin Trail says, hi, Joseph. How are you? I'm doing fine. Mr. Anthony says, good evening. JP, good evening. And then my cousin Thad says, "Hey Joseph, how was your day? Cousin, are you enjoying school? You are doing a fantastic job. Do you miss the twins yet?" My day was good. School is going fine, and I'm doing a fantastic job. Thank you so much for that. And you, Mr. Twins, it's quieter. It's quieter. Um, but I get a lot more stuff and a lot of more quiet time to myself. So I it's like 50-50. It's 50-50. It's 50-50 for me. But that's pretty much it in terms of the comments. I don't see anything else in terms of the comments. We'll check after we do our San Antonio and Raleigh forecast. So let's go on and move our way over there. Let's talk about current. Let's see anything. You do have some showers. Actually, just starting to form up here inside of like Boulevard, Hollywood Park, Castle Hills, Gray Forest as well. So you do have some showers around you as we speak. So you're gonna have to potentially watch out for those. Here's the 18Z. Let's go on and move this forward. In terms of rain, obviously rain possible, and that could intensify. You have it's forecasted to have some very strong thunderstorms just to your north and east, and they will continue as you go through to around like 1 and 2 o'clock in the morning. So you have to watch for that threat until around 1 to 2 o'clock in the morning. Then showers forming just to your west around 7 o'clock p.m. tomorrow, and then that's pretty much it in terms of San Antonio for rain. As you move back to tonight for low temperatures, while this thing is loading, let's check and see. Make sure if you guys have not hit the like button yet, go on ahead and hit it. And also hit the subscribe button as we are trying to get to 250 by September 26th. As we push through tonight for San Antonio, low temperatures around 78, high temperatures tomorrow around 98, low temperatures tomorrow night around 76, and then high temperatures getting into like the low 100s, high 90s going into your Saturday. Moving up towards Raleigh, North Carolina. Let's move down here. Low temperatures tonight around 58-ish. High temperatures tomorrow around 81-ish. Low temperatures tomorrow around 59. And then high temperatures going to around 83, 84, 85-ish going into your Saturday. In terms of composite reflectivity, just in terms of rain, not really much in terms for tonight, nothing for the tomorrow, and nothing really either for your Saturday either. So you're good in terms of that, and no excessive rainfall is most likely not expected. We'll check it just in case. Yeah. No excessive rainfall, no severe weather is expected. And now let's go on and talk about the drought monitor. Here's the drought monitor right here, updated today. Just really only a D0, no drought. It's still inside South Carolina, only up here inside of Oconee County, Pickens County, Northern Greenville County, Anderson County, Abbeville County, Greenwood County, Lawrence County, Southwestern Newberry County, and Northern Saluda County as well is in the U.S. It's for South Carolina's drought monitor. Just in the abnormally dry, not a drought. So it is not really anything that we're going to have to worry about in terms of the drought. Here is your last look at the live radar. Not much again going on for the state. And that's pretty much it in turn for tonight. Again, hit the subscribe button if you have not already. Hit the like button and make sure that you share it to other people as well. Sharing it to other people will help get to our goal faster to 250 by September 26th. And hit that like button again if you have not already. But that's all that I have in terms for tonight. So hopefully everyone has a fantastic rest of your Thursday evening, and I'll be back tomorrow morning with your Friday forecast.